Fishing, guys. They got their lines in the water. We got them rigged up. So everybody's spread out, guys, all down, but whoever we already got orientated is on their own down that side. The rest of the group is down this way, who we're still teaching the same way, guys. All right, so we pretty much have everybody spread out on the beach. So pick up yourself, guys, to make sure fishing. We out here. So let me give another rounds and check on everybody, guys. Shore fishing here, guys. Fishing lessons. First time I did this event, guys, and it turned out pretty good. Decent, guys.
Do not laugh on it.
You caught something.
Please do not tell anybody about this.
Relax. Jerry, don't take it off it.
Guys,
Xtreme
caught herself a bag. Yes, guys, she caught something. Me no want. She give me the cute look and thing and knows that she catch something big, and she catch the biggest thing in her place today. But I get it off here, people, and set her straight. You see me?
And here I thought I caught a big fish. Feel nice.
Say yes! I'm on salute this now.
Disappointment.
Mr. Ralston done there laugh look a while, you know.
What a disappointment.
Alright, there you go. Bait up back and go on a road. Alright. Here, guys. Yes, fish on. Fish on. Fish on. He finally got something. Fish on. I see that. Fish on, guys. He got something, guys. Yes, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Yeah, man. One of the viewers just caught himself a nice jack, guys. Look at it. Bring it in. That's a jack. It's a jack. Bring it in. Brim. Look at this, guys. That's what's up. Yeah! Fish on! Bap, 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 bap. Yep. He was just caught something over here a while ago, guys. That's what's up. That's what's up. Only with Jamaican shore fishing in Hartman Adventures. Xtreme fishes out here, guys. That's what's up.
Thank you guys. Oh my God. Thank you guys for the experience.
Yes, yes. What we tell us in a while?
Thank you very much. Very much right here.
Stop. He scored, guys. That's what's up.
We have Jerry from Jamaica Shore Fishing.
Pick up yourself, guys. Let me get him off you. Well, I get big fish to Koal, man. Yes, people.
He's the one who also works.
Oh, you feel?
Feel excellent, you know. Feel excellent. Feel like, you know, I was here tiling all morning and I was like, when am I catching anything, you know? But you know, my trainer right over here said to me, hey, this is a good spot. He said, throw it all right over there and make a good throw for me.
How do you feel about your student?
My student is doing good. Careful the pectoral fins. These are sharp. This fish won't stick you. I mean, these, you can hold it. Hold it all, man. And hold the fish further. Yes, brother. So yes, he caught his fish today, guys. Look. First fish. Going good. That's what's up. Bait back up and get back out there.
Alright, so thank you for
That's what's up. Are you trying next to no worry, man?
in there a long time, you know. And he did! Mr. Epic, give me somebody
Yeah, man, date up back and go on out again. See, man, resting my cooler. Drop him in there.
Give me the grill, Jerry.
The grill. Give me a second. That's right. So, tell me, how do you enjoy yourself out with the fishing team, Jamaican shore fishing, Hartman Adventures and Xtreme fishing?
It's a good experience. To be honest, you can see the kids are here and they're enjoying themselves. Of course, they say teach a man to fish.
you can feel yourself for the rest of your life. So I mean, of course, I'm now getting in tune to something because it's relaxing. You're here,
Yes.
you're enjoying yourself. It's a great atmosphere. The breeze from the seas hitting you. You feel good. It's like
And you're not hot and aggravated. And look what I love. Look at the ladies down there getting involved in the fishing.
Yeah.
I love the ladies getting involved because guess what? To see a woman catching fish or fishing is actually pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah, man. Pretty good, man.
Everybody's involved. Everybody came here working with just kids alone that was gonna be a part of. Everybody chimed in. Everybody wanted to be a part of it, and that's good. That's the synergy that we want
Yeah, man.
to host another one. So we definitely, after feedbacks today, we're definitely looking on hosting another one. Probably
Definitely.
a different location, give them a different scenery.
More
something
like,
new.
yes. And you can even try the camping thing next time.
Camping,
Yes.
yeah,
We just get some gears and get these guys. We got the ladies here fishing too. Guys are catching fish. Guys are doing good, guys. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Get these kids situated. And a decent sized fish, about a half-pound fish you can get. Cut your line?
Yeah.
A barra cut your line? You sure it's a barra? Pampas do it. Puffer fish do it. Pampas, yeah, barra will do it. So as it drop, let me help you get out. Fishing rod coming through. Alright. So guys, alright, look. So now, where? Down further? Come on, let me show you real quick. Let me give it this. Alright, I'm gonna set you right here, alright?
Alright.
So I can at least monitor you. So, come here. I have to show you how to shoot the gun in there. You can't shoot gun in there.
Aim fire.
You pull up the bail in the air, it's what we call a bail. This is the whole reel. So pull up the bail in the air, pull the trigger finger back, unlock the safety. See, look how my finger is set on it. Look, my finger is set like a trigger. So you see when I come back like this behind me, I have to make sure behind me is clear. There's no one behind me, no kids, nobody running past. Then I come forward, letting go of my finger. As I go over my head, I let my finger go. Don't worry about that line that goes over there. See, look on the line. The line all straight. You understand? So you just keep tension on it, and when you feel the line, when a fish bite this line enough, it don't feel like this enough.
Yeah. I know they're going to back.
No, it don't feel like this.
Oh.
It's not gonna feel like this.
Oh.
It's gonna feel like this.
Okay.
All right. So keep tension on the line, and don't let the line belly,
Oh, we belly the little teeny one.
because that's a hand line. This is a rod where you have the opportunity to go higher. So you can, you know what I mean? Just keep tension on it, and once you feel a fish bite and it's doing that, you reel this forward like this, and it will bring the line in.
Got it.
All right. All right. You need help? You good?
No, alright.
You sure? All right.
Hold on, I'm gonna pull out. That is great.
Listen to me. You can't come here and talk about fish feed.
The fish are the fillet.
You can't. Listen to me now.
No, I'm still
Me lose one big fish yesterday. You want to feel the size of this monster like about 40 odd pound when big. Big today, guys. He's on a roll today. He's on a roll today, guys. Look at it. Another one bites the dust, bro. That's what's up. Bap. That's what's up. Got another one, guys. Look at this. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Big up yourselves. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Alright, guys. We're here. We're doing this fishing training, guys. We at Rio Bueno Beach in Trelawney, and we have all these kids here fishing. We have this little young man that hasn't caught anything yet, but this young man has been so persistent, people, and he's out here trying the same way. He's definitely trying to catch a big fish, guys, and I'm hoping that he'll catch something big today. Big up to Rods Reels Are Us. Rods Reels Are Us. Big them up. Definitely big them up. They donated some rods and stuff to us for us to donate to these kids as a giveaway, and that's what we're gonna do today. Definitely, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. We're here, guys. We get some food ready for the kids. Getting some hot dogs and some mustard and ketchup and mayo. This is the whole entire team, guys. Everybody's trying to gather up now, so you'll get a better view. We have Xtreme Fishes that's here. Ralph Son is here with us, and Andre from Hartman Adventures down here. We got Anthony from Jamaican Shore Fishing team, and Pablo is here from Jamaican Shore Fishing team, guys. I'm here to see these guys fishing. doing a rod and reel giveaway today, guys. We have 2 rods and reels we're gonna give away to these guys. There's the most prominent person that's in this group, guys, and we basically big up to Real Rods Are Us JM, correct? Right? Xtreme. Real Rods Are Us JM. Big up to Real Rods Are Us JM, who provided and sponsored us with a rod and reel for this event as a giveaway, guys. And we are also going to give away a rod and a reel to somebody here today, guys. So stay tuned. We are out here. We're showing this little young man how to scale his fish. So we get the scales off, and then we get this off, and then we get these off here on the bottom. Get rid of those and get rid of these, so we don't have those on there anymore. Get rid of those. Yeah. This. Then we grab the scaler and we're going to scale them like this and get the scales off of it. See? So we rub the scales this way and get all the scales off the belly, get all the scales under here, underneath the stomach and mouth and stuff like that, and we rub it and get everything off, right? Then we're gonna go like this still. I'm put it on the fire. I'm at the roast if you know. I'm at the roast if you on the fire, you know. Oh gosh, man, they're nice on your roast, you know. Yeah, man. Yep, got this little young man, guys, and helping him scale his fish and get his fish on the grill, guys. That's what's up. We're making sure fishing. It's all about the kids, guys. That's what's up. All right, let's get them rinsed off real quick. Watch your step on them hooks. I feed him fish. I feed him fish. No, I gave it to him. I only caught one. It's his fish. Yeah.
So I want to thank everybody for coming out today and being a part of this event. But I mean, we really appreciate Fala and Rochelle. Thank you so much for all the work that you guys put into this possible. Really appreciate working with you guys, of course. So everybody just give yourself a round of applause. For those who don't know me, I'm going to be the name of the Steering Committee Chairman for the Central PYC. I'll be there for the next couple of minutes. Let's see how that works. But so far so good. And for Chad, their team, thanks for coming out as well. Hoping to see more numbers from their group. But alright, so let me pick up as well. Jamaica Shore Fishing. Jermaine, Jerry.
Thank you, guys.
He was persistent, so this project was a go.
Yes.
Very persistent. I put him off 1 or 2 times because the time never ran. But eventually we still got it done. Hartman jumped on board after everything was planned. They were in from the get-go. Xtreme Fishers, sorry. Thank you so much for joining. And of course, guys, I want you to follow Reels and Rods JA. That's what it is.
Real Rods Are Us JA.
Real Rods Are Us JA.
So if you guys want
donated to the event as well. So what we're going to give away today is all from them as well. So we appreciate that. All right, so I'm going to hand over to Hartman. He's going to explain a few things to you guys, and then we'll just get into the giveaway. Hartman.
Gotcha.
Hi again, guys. Alright, name is Andre Hartman Adventures on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you can find me. Alright, TikTok, yeah, I'm on TikTok. I don't post there, but I'm on there. Yeah, so, alright, how the giveaway is going to be done is we have 2 rods, brand new rods donated from Real Rods Are Us, JA, myself, and Jerry. So, what we were looking for people who were pretty persistent at getting it done. not necessarily catching, but we wanted to see the effort, trying, look like you're enjoying yourself, you're engaged, you're doing the activity, and you're trying to learn what we're trying to pass on. There are a couple of candidates that were really standing out. My friend over here, what's her name?
Britannia, yes.
She's one of the candidates that we really observed. She was pretty persistent. One thing that I really admired about her is that she's mute and she's also hearing impaired. We don't have anyone here that can really sign to her to explain what was happening, but she persisted, and even though she was failing to begin with, she didn't give up. So credit. Give her a round of applause.
Yeah, applause, guys. That's what's up.
Alright, the other one is Little Rastaman, that little guy. He's another candidate.
And what's his name?
What's your name, bro?
Tough.
Tough.
Alright, Tough.
Why we chose Tough is because from we got here and Tough get him take a hand line. Him not catch nothing but him a throw line same way. Him go out, him come back, him get some more bait. Him bait gone, him come back, and for the entire time, him just persistent, him a try, him a enjoy himself. Him come, him ask to use the rod, him want to teach him more. So credit to you, Tough, give him a round of applause. And the other candidate is this little man right here. Trust me, him impressed me with how quickly him pick up on stuff.
Second class.
We teach him one time and in second class perfect. Perfect. And him just keep on trying and all of that. Even the rod, my 9-foot rod, cast perfect.
I seen that.
Perfect cast with a 9-foot
I witnessed that one.
So I'm very impressed with that. So
Big man.
they are the 3 that will be entering the raffle to win one of the rod. The other person who will be winning a rod is this brother in the red shirt. Man go all out today, get him hooked up.
That's right.
Everything. So him gonna win one and then we're gonna raffle for these 3. Alright?
So
Sorry for those who did not win, but
There's gonna be a next time.
Yeah, there's
Yes.
gonna be a next
Guys,
time.
we're gonna
And
have other
we
trips.
appreciate
Yes.
your participation and having you guys here. Alright? Yeah man, next time hopefully we can get some, if we wanna work at some nice place downtown after some sponsorship to the event next time. So hopefully next time we can have some more giveaways, some more rods.
and
for
makes it
everybody
even
to
better.
use.
Yep.
Because when everybody have a rod to use, then it's more enjoyable. You learn faster and everything like that.
That's right.
So if you can get a rod and bring it next time, that would be good. Right?
We appreciate the money.
Yeah.
That's right.
So we have to improvise.
But that's the original fishing way,
no?
no?
Where fishing is coming from. I came down from Friday.
6
What happened? They come down Friday night late. Because them other man to them up there here. So I reached out to them and said we are trying to put this on and dedicate to it and take them up. Big up the Xtreme fishers, Randy right here.
Remember it's Xtreme.
Yeah, Xtreme fishers. Xtreme. Then up on YouTube, Monster Fish them catch. So when I want to see what I want, check out Xtreme fishers.
Yes.
Anything?
Anybody else here from my group? Remember I was teaching about the hook, the part of the hook?
Yes.
I'm fully talking to you now, right? And
Our first had
if you can tell me what this part of the tiny part?
Yes.
The small, hold on, the small token. If you can tell me which part this called, you get that small token.
Yeah, Bob. Yeah. Bar.
We'll get you first. We'll get you first.
Hold on.
Alright, she first did say. She first said.
Pronunciation is not correct, it's barb, but we understand. We're Jamaican, it's barb.
Yeah,
Alright?
it's a bar.
And a bob.
A barb.
Go, Bob.
So when you do get a rod, you can use this to catch big jackfish
Big jackfish.
Yeah.
when you get a rod. So make sure you put that up when you get your rod.
Hold on, sir. This part from the eye, what is this called?
That's right. She got it. She got it, bro. That's right. Extreme Fish is doing it, guys. That's what's going on. Look at that. So, guys, we're gonna pull up and we're gonna do the raffles for the young ones real quick. Did we got the names written down? All right, good. So we have the run rod for this gentleman, right?
Yeah,
Let's award this gentleman with this one rod because he had done awesome today. I'll hold this. That's right. So that's right, guys. Look at this. Hartman is here with the rods giveaway. Look at this. These machines, guys, that we're giving away today. Check it out.
All right, so these are Daiwa rods, reels.
Wow. Look at that.
Price, possession for
Yo,
fishermen.
these are top-notch fishing rods, guys.
Possession for fishermen. Daiwa rods and reels. So here you go, sir.
Hold on.
Presentation.
Yes, sir. So Hartman Adventure is presenting the Daiwa rod and reel to this gentleman from being a persistent gentleman today on this trip, guys. Check it out. This is what's up. Jamaican Shore Fishing.
Big up yourself, my general.
Yes. Yeah.
I must say, thanks to Almighty God. And
Thanks to Odian and St. James PYC.
alright, but you have to give God thanks as well. Odian,
Yes, have to give God thanks.
Alright, give a big shout out to Odian to put on this event,
That's right.
make it happen. I'm a coach over there. He get at it the first time and I say, alright then, I'll make him proud. And the first time I come over there, I said, keep on doing the thing. So, thanks again, coach. Alright?
Big up yourself.
Alright.
Alright, guys. So we're just here getting a picture of Xtreme presenting the lure.
On behalf of Jamaica Shore Fishing, Extreme Fishers and Hartman Adventures, and they do this little token. But
That's
get him a
right.
question correct.
That's right.
Alright? It's small, but you can even put it on your dresser. As a little token, or when you learn the sport, you can use it.
And I make souvenirs, so I will use it well.
That's right. That's what's up.
This is called a popper. It's an artificial bait. So on the behalf of Jamaica Shore Fishing, Extreme Ventures and Hartman Adventures, I present this little token to her for getting my question correctly. Alright?
Up. Yeah, guys. That's what's up. She got the barb. So we're getting ready to do a raffle. We're doing a raffle. We're giving away a free rod
Alright,
and
you
reel
can
today,
send
guys.
out the 3 little ones. Can the little ones come out?
And here it goes. It's up.
One name is out of the bag.
See who it is. Kevin! Woo!
That's right. My little man. That's right. You got it, bro. Yo, you're such a lucky guy today. Yo, dude. This little man is the man of the day, guys. Yeah.
Let the man cry. How you mean? In try, man. In try, man.
Oh my God.
You deserve it, little man. He's in tears. Trust me. Trust me, him deserve it. Alright.
Hold on, you know what's very funny? Hold on, you know what's very funny? He was one of the late entries to this trip.
Yeah, he was persistent.
He was one of the late.
Adios, mommy.
That's sister, that's big sister.
I feel so good because he was so persistent.
He was very persistent. Guys,
Push.
guys.
Catch the bottle to rent, you know.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, David.
But now your sister can go
So
and
now
fishing.
you can go fishing.
Can we get a photo with the 3 little ones? Can we get a photo with the 3 little ones, please? Alright, guys. So these are the 3 that were the top picks for today. They were the most consistent, most persistent, and they did pretty much everything other than catch a fish. Everything today. Everything. So big credit. Little man, big up yourself.